In the last video, we have seen that it was a Sunday morning and Millie ate the pancakes and drank some milk. Then they helped their mama to clear away the dishes. Then they asked their mummy to for going out to play. Mama said, "I'm afraid not. The weather is terrible." They both of them asked mummy, "How come you know, mama?" "Just look at the window. You will come to know how the weather is. The weather is howling and blowing a gale. The wind is howling outside and it's freezing cold outside. Freezing cold means too much cold. भाल ठंडी, बहुत सारा ठंडी. Okay, so mummy said, so there is no going out for both of you. Then what can we do instead? Billy asked. Billy asked his mother, what can we do? Mummy says, you can have some fun indoors. Indoors means the game which you can play by sitting in home itself, means indoor. Okay, do some activities, use your imagination. Imagination means, as I said earlier, kalpana karna. Think of things that can be fun to do indoors and do them. So what they did, let's see. Okay children, I'll just read the first and I'll explain you later. They started with some drawing and coloring. Millie made a picture of a fairy and Billy made one of witches. They signed their names below the picture. Millie made a cute fairy. Fairy means pari, who is having the magical powers. She uses for the good things to happen. Okay, she helps the people who is in need. Okay, fairy, I think you have seen in the cartoons, fairy is nothing but the pari. Pari, you have seen in your favorite cartoons, Sonpari or Dora. They all in the cartoons they have a fairy. Okay, Millie draw this fairy, colored it and wrote her name. Millie, Millie, Millie. And Billy has drawn two humans. Which means they are also having some magical powers, but they used for bad things. They do harms to others. Okay, let us see the spellings now. The new words DRAWING, drawing. COLOURING, coloring. Okay, FAIRY, fairy. Witches, WITCHES, witches. Okay children. After that again they started to play. Then they pretended to be pirates. They took a torch and looked all around the house for hidden treasures. They found a little toy moose hidden away behind a cupboard. It was dusty, so they washed it and it came out as good as new. After that, they pulled some chairs together and wrapped a sheet on them to make a tent in the living room. They took a moose into the tent. What shall we call him? Billy asked. What about the mooster? Millie replied with a giggle. Hello, I am Mooster. What is your name? Billy said. Children, after drawing and coloring, they started to play again. They pretended to be a pirates. Pirate means sea robbers. समुद्र डकैत, समुद्र की डकैती करने वाले को समुद्र डकैत कहते हैं. समुद्ರದ ದರೋಡೆಕೋರರು. Okay, they took a torch and looked around the house for hidden treasures. Hidden treasures means the valuable things which we used to keep in a secret place. Treasures is nothing but nidhi. Okay, And the pirates, they always used to wear a mask like this, one eye closed. Okay. They found a little toy moose. Moose means deer. Okay, hidden behind the cupboard. Here they found the moose. It was dusty, so they washed it. It was very dusty. For a long time, it was staying behind the cupboard only. No, so all over it had become very dust. So what they done, Millie and Billy, they washed it. They take out it, washed it, and cleaned it, and it came out as good as new. Now it's look like a new thing. I just we have brought from the shop. They cleaned that such a new piece one. After that, they pulled some chairs together. After they what to do? They pulled some chairs. Pulled means jagodu together and draped a sheet on them. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರ್ಬಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ on them to make a tent in a living room. Tent shape. They will give the tent shape. Living room means hall. In the hall, they prepare a set like this. They took Moose into the tent. What shall we call him? Billy asked to Millie, what shall we call him? What about Mooster? Millie replied. What about Mooster? Millie replied with a giggle, means ನಕ್ಕೋತ ಅಂತ ನಗ್ತಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. She smiles like a hee, like she smiles and says, what about Mooster? Hello, I am Mooster. What is your name? Billy said. Children, we'll stop over here. We will see in the next video. Bye.